Hi friends, today we are going to see chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.1 question number 4. The question is use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. For this type of questions, I have given you some steps to solve this. So the first step is write the definition of Euclid's division lemma. The next step is find the values of b and r. So after finding this, we have to find the possible integer values. So once we got the possible integer values, the last step is apply the condition given in the question. So now let us proceed. Here, first write the definition of Euclid's division lemma. So according to Euclid's division lemma, any positive integer can be of the form a is equal to bq plus r. This statement carries a mark. After this, in this case, see here, step 1, we have written the definition. After that, value of b. So b is equal to, we can write the value of b from the question. So see here, positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So the value of b is 3. Then once we got the value of b, we can find the value of r. Since r is greater than or equal to 0 or less than b. So here b is 3, r is equal to, the r value ranges from 0 to 2. So 0, 1 and 2. So here we got the value of r. After this, we have to find the possible integer values. To find the possible integer values, we have to substitute the value of b and r in this relation. A is equal to bq plus r. So, the possible positive integers can be of the form I'm just substituting these values b and r. So we get 3q for r equal to 0, and 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2 according to the r values. So once we got the possible integer values, we have to apply the condition. I already told the condition will be given in the question. So see here in the question, the square of any positive integer. They mention for the square of any positive integer. Now here we have the positive integer values. So we have to apply square for each these values. Apply square to each integers. So here the case 1, take the first integer value 3q. I am now squaring this. So 3q the whole square, that gives 9q square. See here in the question, they are in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So here I have to take common from this term. So when I am taking common as 3, we get 3q square. So now I can write this one as, since this 3q square is a multiple of 3, I can write this as 3m, that is multiple of 3. Now see the case 2. Case 2 is the second integer, that is 3q plus 1. Apply square for this term. So 3q plus 1 the whole square. It is in the form a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I'm just applying this identity here. So we get here in this term a is 3q and b is 1. So first is a square 3q the whole square plus 2ab is 3 into 2 6q plus 1. So we get 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now take common as 3. So from these terms I am taking common 3 as common. So we get 3q square plus 2q plus 1. In this term I can write this as, since this is a multiple of 3, I can write this as 3m plus 1. So now for case 3, the third integer is 3q plus 2. So 3q plus 2, square this, 3q plus 2 the whole square. Since this is in a plus b the whole square format, substitute the identity. 3q the whole square plus 3 into 2 into 2. So we get 12. 12q plus 2 square is 4. So we get 3q the whole square is 9q square plus 12q, and just split this 4. I can just split this 4 as 3 and 1. So plus 3 plus 1. Now take 3 as common from these 3 terms. So we get 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and plus 1. So since this is a multiple of 3, we can write this as 3m plus 1. So see here, in the first case we got 3m. When we square this 3q, we got 3m. And in the case 2, when we square this 3q plus 1, we got 3m plus 1. And in the third case, when we square this 3q plus 2, we got 3m plus 1. Now here see the question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Now see here, we have got 3m, 3m plus 1 and same 3m plus 1. So now we can conclude this in accordance with the question. Therefore, the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Hence proved. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, you can just post in the comment box. Thanks for watching.